So today we are going to have the revision of the workbook exercises. Okay, so how many of you revise the workbook exercises? Okay, good. So we'll just brush it up, brush all the exercises in a few minutes, and after that I'll be giving you a written test. Okay, and remember you have the writing skill also. The what is that other one? Advertisement as well as the dialogue writing. So the things that you have to take care about advertisement is, I'm not going to ask you, sometimes that particular question might be asked, but no need of putting this what is planning sheet. Planning sheet, no need, but your final advertisement should be done properly. So what are the things that you have to take care while doing the advertisement? Pictures of the product. Okay, and it should be made colorful and attractive. Plus 2-3 captions. And when you are writing the captions, make sure that you write it bold letters, big letters, so that it will be attracting the people. That's all. And for dialogue writing, the same question. Okay, the 7 characters, they're talking about their likes and dislikes, that means hobbies. You have to select any 2 people, 2 characters from that, any 2 of your choice, and make sure that you write a conversation. And in the conversation, there should be an introduction like, hello, hi, good afternoon, good morning, how are you, where were you, didn't see you for many days, something that is called introduction. And after that, the content part. The content should be, what should be the content? About the hobbies, right? Because about every person, each person, it is written, I like singing, I like reading books, I like hockey, I like caroms, whatever. So according to the person you have selected, you have to write about their hobbies. That should come in the conversation. And finally, you have to give a conclusion. Bye, see you later, catch you later, see you tomorrow, I need to go now, I'm getting late, bye. Something like that. That is called conclusion. So that is how you have to write the whole of the dialogue writing. So they are sure questions. Okay, either advertisement or dialogue writing will come for 4 marks. So make sure that you study both of them. Now, starting with the workbook exercises, in the beginning we had revised the usages of to, and to, right? Where to use to, where to use two, and where to use too. The revision was already taken. After that, another set of exercises are this one, the crossword puzzle. Crossword puzzle. Some clues are given. Did you see? Can you see it? Can you see the page? Yes. Crossword puzzle. Some clues are given. Some clues are given.
Page
So
number?
accordingly, page number 23.
Page number?
23. See, you need not open the book.
Okay, ma'am.
All this you have
Okay.
already studied. Okay, I'm just, yes, exactly. So the clues will be given. You have to find out the words. And then after that, the next one is, again, there, there. The homophones. Where to use? I'll show you. Where to use? There. Okay, this is the contraction of they are. Okay, then the second there is THEIR. Then the fourth one is there. So how do we use all these 3 words without mistake? How to use them appropriately, suitably in a sentence. Then after that, the next was the usage of enough and to. Where to use enough, where to use to. Now, what do you mean by, where do you use enough? Enough means when something is sufficient.
Two.
Sufficient. And to is used when something is more than, who is talking in between? What is that, Ayil? And to is used when something is more than needed or less than needed. Okay. Too much, too cold, too hot, too smart, too tall, too short, and enough. I have enough money with me. This is enough. Okay, that's how. And there is a second type of exercise here. I'll just write down one. And can your, don't write, okay? Can your dog do tricks? This is a question given. And they have given here, yes, she can. And there is a word given in the bracket, smart. Okay, now what you have to do is, she is dash. According to the question and this answer given, you have to fill in the blanks. How will you write? For filling in the blanks, you have to use this word that is given in the bracket plus enough or to. That you have to choose. Who can say how to write this? Yes, Abel. She is
Smart enough.
very good. Smart enough. This is how you fill up. Okay, she is smart enough. Now I will give you another example.
Not enough.
Would you
Not
like
enough.
some ice cream? No, thank you. And the word given in the bracket is cold. Now, the answer you're going to write is, it's dash. What you have to do, you have to add,
Too cold.
yes, too cold. Too cold. See,
Cold.
now, whenever we are writing the word in the bracket, see, we are writing here. But enough will come after the word. That is, enough should be written after the adjective. You cannot write she's enough smart. That is wrong. She's smart enough. So when we are using the word enough, the adjective should come before the word. And look at the second example. This is the adjective given, right? It is coming after to. You cannot write it's cold too. You have to write it's too cold. So this is how you have to write. The adjective will come. See, the word given in the bracket is adjective. You have learned in grammar what are adjective. Adjectives are describing words, right? So the adjective will come before enough, whereas adjective will be written after to. That's it. So this is what you have to remember about this particular exercise. And then, which is the next one, homophones. Okay, homophones. Now I'm going to give you an example. And what are homophones? Homophones are words with the same pronunciation but different spellings and different meanings. I did not dash the bell ring. Okay, and here we have the homophones. Here, here. Now you have to tell me which homophone you are going to use there. Yes, Adidev.
Here.
H-E-A-R. H-E-A-R. We have to use this one because this is a word that shows you here with your ears. The other one is come here. It is the place, the location. Okay, one more example. Rishi dash his motorbike to the factory. Road, road. Okay. Who will give the answer for this question? Which road will you use there? Yes, Amil.
First road. First one.
Very good. Road. You have to use this road. Because sometimes when you see the word motorbike, you will think it is ROAD, which is wrong. It won't make any sense in the sentence. But this road is the past tense of ride. So, riding the motorbike. Road is motorbike. Okay, that's it. Now, all of you, please take your rough book. Close your workbook. These are the only exercises that we have from the workbook. So these questions, the questions will be included both in the MCQ as well as the written test. So just make sure that you're thorough with all the exercises. So please write today's date, and it is revision 5. And children, no need of copying down the questions. I'll be sending exactly the same question to your WhatsApp. So just put the number and write the answer. Is that clear to all of you? Don't waste your time writing down the questions. Yes. We took a trip to Ladakh, comma, we visited Kashmir too. Now, the two I have written is wrong. You have to write which two will come there. We have 3 types of twos: TO, TWO, and TOO. So you have to write the correct two. Now the second one, as I showed in the crossword puzzle, I'm going to give you a clue: performed alone or in a group. And the word is dash, A, N, dash, dash. A 5-letter word. You have to say which is that word. Third one is made with a pencil. Again, it's a 5-letter word starting with S, dash, E, T, dash, dash. That's it. Fourth one, it was dash idea to go to the fair. You have 3 options: THEYRE, THEIR, THERE. You have to choose the correct word. Fifth one, once upon a time, comma, dash lived a greedy king. Again, you have to choose from this: they, there, and there. Okay, I hope the question is clear to you. 4 and 5, you have to choose from there. Correct spelling. Okay. Sixth one, Jolly ate dash breakfast before leaving for gym. Choose from enough or two. Seventh, they have a good time there. Use the right word. Eighth one. Can he reach that shelf? No, he can't. And bracket tall. He is not dash. Ninth one. Rishi dash rode his bike to the factory. And 10th one. Orange dash P-E-E-L or P-E-A-L. Peel is very useful in making medicines. That's all. 10 questions.
Ma'am, I don't know which is finish.
Who is that?
Ma'am,
Huh?
finish. Ma'am, I don't know.
Who is that? Tell me your name.
Arfan. I'm finished.
Arfan, what happened? The class was supposed to start at 12:30.
Ma'am, I'll finish. I'm Prajwal finish. Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Arfan, just take your rough book and write. Write down these questions. They are revision questions. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, fourth and fifth have same bracket.
Yes. Fourth and fifth. Same bracket. There, and there.
Ma'am, can he reach that shall we have to write two or enough?
Yes. Only write the answer. These questions I'll be sending to the WhatsApp. I'm sending it right now. Okay.
Finish.
So, if you just write the answer, you will be able to complete it.
You're gonna send an answer?
No, we'll discuss the answer and you can check it.
Teacher,
just send it. I got a notification.
Hmm?
I got a notification that you just send it.
Yes, yes, yes. I have sent the questions. Laya, turn on your video.
Ma'am, connection.
Connection problem. Okay.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Did you write the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Varada, can you read the first sentence and tell me which word you have used there? Read the sentence.
We took a trip to Ladakh. We visited Kashmir too. TOO.
Very good. See here, the answer should be TOO. That means also. TOO means also. I hope all of you wrote it correctly. Right? Okay. Shiva, read the second one. Tell me which is the word.
Yes, ma'am.
Performed.
Dancing.
So, dancing, there is no space for writing ing.
Ma'am, dance.
Just write dance. D-A-N. What are the remaining letters?
E. C-E.
Yes, dance. Correct. Okay. Yes, I'll. Third one, made with a pencil.
Sketch.
Spelling.
SCET.
Ah. No, it is not S-C. It is S.
K.
Yes. K-E-T-C-H. Very good. Now, the next one, that is the fourth one. Tia. Tia, read the fourth sentence and tell me what is the answer. Jaswin. Jaswin, unmute. Okay, Jaswin, read the fourth sentence. It was.
It was Dash idea to go to the fair.
Which there will you choose? Tell me the spelling. First one, second one, or third one? It was Dash idea to go to the fair.
Second one.
Very good. Their, their idea. That means the idea belongs to them. That is the correct answer. Next, I would like Prajwal to say the answer. Once upon a time. Read.
Once upon a time, Dash lived a greedy king. Third there.
Yes, third there. T-H-E-R-E, there. Correct. Gauri.
Jolie ate Dash breakfast before leaving.
For the gym. Which word will you use? Enough or two? Jolly ate. Enough. Very good. Enough. Jolly ate enough breakfast before leaving for gym. That's a correct answer. Next. Isa, can you unmute? Isa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Isa. Isa, can you read the 7th sentence?
They have a good time
There. A wrong word has been given there. Okay. You have to say which there should be used. Which word should be used? Whether we have to use T-H-E-I-R or T-H-E-R-E. Which should be used there? What is given here is wrong word.
first
Huh? They have a good time there.
there.
Huh? Isa, we have to use the second there. There. The place, the location, there. Go there. They have a good time there. Okay. T-H-E-R-E is the right answer. Henry, 8th one. Unmute. Henry, are you able to unmute? No response from Henry. Arfan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Arfan. Huh. Who is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Henry.
Henry.
Henry, read that.
Henry.
Arfan, wait. Can he reach?
Can he reach that shelf?
No, he can't.
That shelf? No, he can't.
Huh.
That he is not.
Huh.
He is not.
You have to use the word tall plus enough or two. As I showed you. Tall plus enough or two. That is according to you. How will you write he is not? How will you write? Who can say the answer?
Ma'am, Arfan.
Arfan, tell me. How will you write that?
He is tall.
No, Arfan. Tall enough. See, enough will always come after the adjective. Tall enough. I just showed because you were not there that time. You had not joined. Okay. Henry, did you understand? You have to write he is not tall enough. Next. Amil, again. Rishi dashed his bike to the factory. Second one, very good. Road. Jeswin, orange dash is very useful in medicines. Which peel?
Ma'am, P-E-A-L.
No, dear. That's wrong. Orange, this one is the correct. Okay, so you please make sure that you study, revise it properly. This one, P-E-E-L, means the outer skin of the fruit. Okay, orange peel. The outer skin of the orange is called the orange peel. Whereas P-E-A-L means the sound of the bells. The ringing sound is called P-E-A-L. So P-E-E-L should be used here. The orange peel is very useful in making medicines. Okay. So that's it. All of you, please make sure you complete it. And for the conversation, you can choose any 2 characters of your choice. We have 7 characters, any 2 characters. And the number of dialogue should be 4 plus 4 minimum. For example, if you are choosing, I'll tell you, Amir and Rohit, first 2. Or okay, if you are choosing Nazia and Judy. Nazia, Judy, Nazia, Judy, Nazia, Judy, Nazia, Judy. 8 total. So 4 plus 4 makes 8. Minimum 8. Otherwise, you can go for 5 plus 5 or 6 plus 6. Maximum 6 plus 6, 12. Not more than that. and make the sentences short and clear. Use the proper punctuation marks. If it is a question, if it is a full stop, if it is a comma, if it's an exclamation mark, begin with the capital letters. Okay, so that should be very clear. For example, I'll show it on the board. Nazia. If Nazia is starting, hello. So you should not write hello like this. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. You have to write hello. Then, how are you? Again, capital letter. How are you? Then, suppose Judy. Judy. I am fine. What about you? About you. Okay, then Nazia. So after this colon, I have told you these two dots are called colon. After the colon, you have to always start with capital letter. Huh? So for example, Nazia, what is your hobby? What is your hobby? You have to start like this. Judy. I love playing hockey. So this is how you have to write the conversation. Write the names, put the colon. This is called colon, right? Two dots, colon, and begin with a capital letter and make the sentences short. See, if you have not completed writing the sentences, don't worry. I have put it in the WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp. Yes, Shivdyan, tell me.
Ma'am, I write a conversation with Amir and Judy.
Okay, good. Any two characters you can choose. It's your choice. You can choose any two characters. Okay, good. Varada is showing the message that I send now. Okay, children. So, I hope you got the instructions. I'm unmuting you. Did you all read the instructions given in the phone yesterday, given in the WhatsApp yesterday regarding the examination? Yes, okay. So, please don't write the answers in a notebook. Use the full sheet paper. Okay,
Can we
full paper.
in the A4 sheet?
Yes, not A4, normal full paper will be there, no lines, with the lines. So that paper, you write the answers neatly in that, and the link has been sent for converting into PDF. So install that in your phone and just click the image, convert it into PDF, and yes, Varada, tell me.
And which was the app's name?
That was Tap Scanner. Tap Scanner. It is given in the Gilda ma'am has sent it to your. So just install that, and using that app, using that scanner, you take the image and there is a conversion to PDF. So click on that and share it with the mail address that will be given to your given in your WhatsApp. Okay. So that's all, children. It's time for winding up the class. Make sure that you prepare well. This is our last class. Study well, prepare well. If there is any doubt, please message me. Okay? If you are finding difficult in any part of your lesson, in any portion, please let me know. I'll be there to help you. Okay? So thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Take care. All the best. Okay? Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.